Mm. Hey, Whoa. What? How do you read all these books? I'm a bookworm. You can say that again. I'm a bookworm. I didn't mean it literally. Look, you read the dictionary? Yeah, I was bored that day. You did it in one day? I told you, I'm a bookworm. You can say... Never mind. So I was wondering if you wanted to go to the mall with me. Oh, well, I have some reading to do. Please? I really have some reading to do. Please! Well, Look over there! It's a fashion designer! Where?